the best way to find berries is to go down on your hands and knees and look really closely.
Wow, Esme, you sound like you really know what you're doing. Maybe I should keep a lookout up here and you can search down there.
Okay.
Phew. I don't know what to make today.
Oh, I know. How about a machine that... Achoo! Whoa, I must be allergic to these. Oh well. Interesting.
There. Now whenever something bad is about to happen, we'll know about it beforehand.
Awesome!
Huh?
Achoo! I don't feel so good. Achoo! What could it be?
I don't know. Maybe it was something she ate? Isabella, did Esme eat Malice's mystery grapes from her garden again? No. We were just walking through the forest. Esme was sniffing everything like usual, and then she started sneezing, and everything was turning giant. Very interesting.
Who could that be? Dr. Esselan. Nice to meet you. Oh, poor Esme. You look horrible. Who exactly did you say you are again? Dr. Esselan. I make house calls throughout Kiddyzuzaa. I got a phone call from, Mr. Snuggles.
Mr. Snuggles?
Yes, that's right. Now, Esme, what seems to be the problem? I keep sneezing and making things giant. Good.
Good?
No, I mean bad. But don't worry, Dr. Esselan will cure you. All you'll need is to hold the spider up close to your nose and you'll stop sneezing.
Hey, isn't that...
There, that should do it. Ready, Timothy? Good evening, residents of Kiddyzuzaa. I'm Malice, the most powerful witch around. But of course you all know that already.
Wait, Esme, what's this?
Quite frankly, it's boring. I have decided to change this awful green forest to a more appropriate colour. Purple! Behold the Purplifier 3000! Well, that's not too bad. Oh, and also, by turning the forest purple, the trees will all rot.
Come on, princesses. We have to stop her.
Oh, and also, I've built a giant and beautiful maze around my tower, so no one can foil my genius plan. Let's see. Turn the forest purple, all the trees rotten, giant autumn maze. Yep, that's it. Okay, game plan. Liliana, keep an eye out for trouble. Have you got your slime launcher? Isabella, have you got your magic direction-seeking mirror? And Esme, have you got your... Okay, break. Mwahaha! Everything is going to plan. Mwahaha! You have arrived at the first challenge. Answer this question if you wish to pass. Raisins, currants and sultanas are all dried forms of which fruit? Got any idea, Liliana?
I don't know. Oh no, what are we going to do?
That's easy. Grapes! Ooh!
Wait, Esme, it could be a trap.
Mwahaha! Silly princesses! Whoops! Don't worry, princesses. I've got this.
Great thinking with that flame spell, Olivia.
Yeah, flame spell. Mwahaha! Time for round 2. What colour do you get when you mix these two potions?
Oh, I know this. Wait, this is Malice we're talking about. Purple?
Fine. Go ahead, princesses. I wonder which way we should go.
This way.
Mwahaha! You have reached the final and most difficult challenge. Get through this door. Wait, that's it? Well, the door is really hard to get through, okay? Okay, game plan. One day that's going to work. Anyway, how are we going to get through?
Don't worry, I've got this. Pin, do your thing.
Aha! Kiddyzuzza land is saved. Esme, there's just the light switch. And now for the main event. Princesses! Keep your eyes peeled for the zooseberry tree, Esme. It's notoriously hard to find. I think it's just around the corner. That's amazing. Well done, Esme. And here it is. Yuck! This is strange. Very strange. Right, come on, Esme. To the palace. Princesses, something bad is happening to the forest. There's slime everywhere. The fruits are all rotten and I think it's spreading.
Guys, you might want to have a look at this.
What is that thing?
It's like a giant beanstalk.
Giant beans.
Let's get a closer look.
What is that thing?
This is CCTV, closed circuit television. It can fly right up to that weird plant thing and we can see what it is through this screen. Fly, my pretty, fly!
Mwahaha! This potion is working perfectly. Soon the whole forest will be doing my evil bidding. What a productive day this has been! Malice is trying to take over the forest with some sort of evil beanstalk. Huh? Oh, nice try, princesses.
It must be that green potion that she's using to water it.
I think I've read about this somewhere before. Aha! Here it is. The Fiendish Forest Potion. With this potion, the forces of nature will soon be at your command. The spell can only be reversed using the purest Zuzan water from the spring of Mount Zuzza.
Mr. Zuzza!
What are you doing here?
The question is not what, but when.
Do you have any pure Zuzan water by any chance?
The question is not do you have, but when. Onions? The question is not onions, but...
There we are. Pure Zuzan water. Nice one, Esme. Now let's get to that beanstalk before it's too late.
The question is not... Oh.
Right, princesses, we need to be stealthy. Follow my lead. I was wondering when you lot would turn up. Well, you're too late, I'm afraid. The potion is in full swing, and soon the whole of this forest will be under my command. Not if we've got anything to do with it. Right, princesses? Princesses? Prepare to be slimed, Olivia. Huh? Oh, quick, Esme, chuck me the vial. I can't.
There, fly, my pretty, fly!
Nice one, Liliana. Huh? We did it! We saved the forest.
Not quite. There, that's better.
Isabella, you missed a spot. I'll get you, princesses.